What's up, outdoor adventurers? Tired of lugging around a heavy, clunky ice chest to the beach or up a steep trail? It can totally ruin your fun day out, right? Well, if you're on the hunt for the best insulated cooler backpack, you're in the perfect spot, right here on Tech Kingo. Today, we're diving into a fantastic backpack cooler that completely changes how you carry your cold drinks and fresh food. Let's jump in. The Sparter Insulated Cooler Backpack is packed with everything you need to keep your refreshments perfectly chilled on the go. Whether you're planning a long day outdoors, be it a trip to the beach or a busy workday outside, having a reliable way to keep your drinks cold is a must. Forget dragging a traditional hard plastic cooler with a rigid handle. The Sparter Cooler Backpack lets you carry your picnic right on your back, freeing up your hands for beach chairs or a walking stick. One of the most impressive features of this bag is its stellar temperature control. The Sparter Insulated Cooler Backpack boasts thickened 8mm foam insulation paired with an advanced silver PIVA seal. This powerful combo traps cold air inside, maintaining cold temperatures for up to 20 hours. Pack your meals in the early morning and still enjoy a crisp, ice-cold beverage while watching the sunset. It takes the stress out of your ice melting too quickly. To manage all that ice and natural condensation, Sparter equipped this backpack with a high-tech, seamless hot-pressed liner. This specialized interior is crafted to prevent annoying leaks. If your ice packs sweat or your loose ice starts to melt as the temperature rises, the liquid stays safely contained inside the bag rather than soaking through the fabric. Just keep in mind that while the interior liner is tightly sealed, the top zipper isn't entirely leak-proof, so it's best to keep the backpack standing upright during travel to avoid accidental spills. Organization is another huge perk of the Sparter Insulated Cooler Backpack. Instead of tossing everything into one giant messy compartment, this bag boasts two separate insulated sections. This thoughtful design means you can easily separate your wet drinks from your delicate dry foods. Keep your heavy sodas safely at the bottom, while your sandwiches and chips stay secure in the top compartment, so nothing gets crushed or soggy. Beyond the main cooling areas, this backpack offers a large front pocket and two very handy side pockets. These extra storage spaces are just right for stashing dry snacks, your smartphone, wallet, keys, and other daily essentials. You won't need a secondary day pack just to hold personal items because everything fits neatly into this one bag. Sparter even included a built-in bottle opener attached right to the strap. It's a small addition, but it adds incredible convenience out on the trail. When it comes to durability, the Sparter Insulated Cooler Backpack is built to last through all your adventures. The exterior is made from a high-density, scratch-resistant nylon material that easily handles rough outdoor environments. Whether you're setting the bag down on rough rocks or sandy beaches, the tough fabric holds up beautifully against daily wear. It also features a waterproof PU coating, making the backpack highly water-resistant. If you get caught in a sudden rain shower, the moisture just beads right off the surface. Carrying heavy drinks can usually be a painful chore, but the lightweight design of this backpack prioritizes your physical comfort. It features thick, high-quality padded shoulder straps and a highly breathable padded back panel. This ergonomic padding distributes the weight evenly across your shoulders, ensuring a completely comfortable carrying experience even when the bag is fully loaded with drinks. You get all the excellent cooling power of a traditional hard cooler without any of the back-breaking bulk. Looking at the physical dimensions, the Sparter Cooler Backpack stands 17 inches high, 10.5 inches long, and 7.5 inches wide. Don't let the sleek profile fool you, because it offers an incredibly large internal capacity. This spacious interior can hold up to 33 standard-sized cans, along with your meals, tall beverages, and extra ice packs. It truly combines practicality, amazing comfort, and sleek style for any activity. Are you ready to grab your gear and head outside with the ultimate chilled refreshment setup? Check the price link in the description to secure this amazing backpack cooler for your next trip. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear showcases and outdoor equipment guides. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Stay cool out there, and I'll see you in the next video.